Before get lay off now, no up. They don't fit on a man from best, so now my life's sweet like a donut. You know I wouldn't change a thing.
No, my life's like a donut. Now I'm the grown up. That does it, yo. I rate that flow. I rate him switch up them. I rate him switch up the words. I rate him play with the words. I rate it. You see me? I say, listen now. Yo, me was with the little youth, but now I'm the grown up. You see me? I said, my father, what I'm saying part of the door? Well, me can't make it that. Well, ready.
My father get lay off now, no up.
Yeah.
They don't fit on a man from best, so now my life's sweet like a donut. You know I wouldn't change a thing.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, and I'm back with another reaction/review. Whatever no one got. Did me I say, you know, we finna wait, first and foremost, big up on yourself if you saw the name over, so comment on this video, first the name in the next video, you see me? But I'm finna make like 3 videos right now, so I'll split it up. But anyways, we finna review or react to Alkaline Ocean Wave. You did me I say? Yeah. So I want to know what go on with that singing, what kind of flow. It look like, first we see a throwback picture up on the cover art. With him, my smile, with him black tattoo head, with him contacts them. And then I say, my ocean. So, you know, for one note like a war song. And you know, like, maybe don't say song I was subliminal, this is, but when they come for pre-all them, so they will come for us. Give the song a listen, and we'll have vibes, so. Come all our vibes with the boy. You did me and say, smash the like button, people, and support the Jamaican boy. Subscribe. 10,000 subscribers, so subscribe to the channel. No, chat him, because see what I'm going for. Alka.
But dog, Javi produced the one, is it?
Ambassador Music.
Whoa. Javi go and go with the instrumental. I like the instrumental so far. You see me and say, well, let me forward. Get a little picture. Get a little picture up on the ends, you know? Alright. I stop the ends a little bit. Alright. Hold on. What's someone say? Don't bubble up in the youth. I'm going to go back to the petrol under. So you did me? Got you.
You know, sister, we are create waves like the ocean, yeah. When you're there, better than your son, no the explosion, and we make the commotion.
What?
They even dance for.
Hold on. Alkaline? Go back a little bit. We can call him Alkaline now because I'm having the black contacts. But anyways, go back. What am I say?
You know, sister, we are create waves like the ocean, yeah. When you're there, better than your son, no the explosion, and we make the commotion.
Basically, I'm gonna say my create waves, dog. Like the ocean, meaning say my big stream with mainstream with thing youth. What? Nah, bye, so far, alright, hold on a bit. If you bubble up in here, but a problem, you know. This may work with it. Did me I say, what if you bubble up in here, a problem, you know. Alright, see you there. Pan base now. Ooh. Yeah, man. See it there? Alright. Ready now. Let's see what we're going for Alkaline now.
They even dance with them, watch we have emotion. Deep and we slow down. We do it first, got them soft like lotion.
Me tell them that subliminal this are going on this song. So me in the review game, so I'm gonna know who we must say thief him. Who thief Alkaline slogan? Who thief him style now? Why him first doing somebody thief? Me no know. But we could go back a little bit because I say something about dance. Ready?
Deep and we slow down. We do it first, got them soft like lotion and waves like the ocean.
Soft like lotion. What time I tell you now? 12 o'clock. I must say a jerking style, man. I kind of look high now where people don't come at me. They may say, but they must say a jerking style, man. Them time of night, yeah. You see me? And the man goes resolution, so the man them soft like lotion. Alright, level. Go through. So I go on now.
Never see a phone sound strong. Never the time for rely on people to make my move and never saw me grow up. Yeah. No say me hype, I know you're probably right, but you can have no pride.
No one from him. Dog, it's like say, it's a reminiscing dog. You see me I say, And that's why I put a throwback picture here now, you know, the picture, the cover art, that's why I made the cover art that we here, and dog, and use a picture here, and dog. You see me? Because I show say, no, depending upon nobody for doing thing. I'm going to make one listen, man, I said, go back in that song. Remember, people, the song been out for a couple of hours already, so you don't know things that make it. If you want to hear it, Alkaline favor, but when you come to watch me do my thing, so now I'm going to enjoy doing me, you do me? Ready? And I'm mostly music with them, I really react to people. I only do audio because people them want to see it. You see me, I say? So forward.
Your phone so strong. Never the time for rely on people to make my move and never saw me grow up. And I know say me hype and
I never the type for rely upon people. You see me, I say never saw him grow. So him do him thing himself and call him for him for call you out and boss himself. That might basically I telling her that well and they will get some more patron in the system too. That's it. I got just for a couple of videos well, you know. For a couple of videos well, that you say I got there right that's on that. Trouble. You see me I say? But got you no so else my leave. Got you.
You're probably right, but if you don't have no pride, I guess anything goes. Me I live my life telling me I'm own. I used to be that little kid, now I am the grown up. Think my life it's all up.
I used to be that little kid, now I am the grown up. Yo, don't go a little bit. Lyrics are chopped to man. I'm doing things like man. I hear myself the right way, you know. No, I miss too much item.
I know you're probably right, but if you don't have no pride, I guess anything goes. Me I live my life telling me I'm own. I used to be that little kid, now I am the grown.
I'm living my life. Tell them say I have him own. You see me here say? Yo, man, I see that. I see what I go on the prayer. I like the prayer. It's a good move. It's a good move. We read the song so far. I'm just going 53 seconds in it because me a chat and I go on the back of madness. But what you think of the song, people? Alka fans, they want to think. Well, on there. Kind of eye now. I'm telling you already. Alright. See there again. I want to go on. That juice there. Anyways, Alka fans, want to think of the song, people. I don't want to think of that song in the comment section. You see me, I say? Yeah. You know, so them other people, fans them because of viewers, them are followed by us and thumbs on the thing, dog. I support my thing, that's like my video, dog. You know me, I say, when I have to watch a full video, because of fans. Can I come go out of the antics, dog? Jano, ready? What you say?
Think my life it's all up. Skinny nigga did have talent but never have no luck. So bro, my father get laid off now, no up. They done for turn a man from there, so now my life sweet like a donut. You know?
Same father they get fired from the job. Never no luck. They have to turn a man from them stage. When I'm here back when man said, dog, what? Hold on there, dog. Ready now, Alka?
Father get laid off now, no up. They done for turn a man from there, so now my life sweet like a donut. You know I wouldn't change a thing.
No, my life sweet like a donut. Now I'm the grown up. That does it, yo. I rate that flow. I rate them switch up them. I rate them switch up the words. I rate them play with the words. I rate it. You see me, I say, listen now. Yo, me used to be the little youth, but now I'm the grown up. You see me, I said, my father, what I'm saying part of the door? Well, I can't make it that. Well, ready.
Oh, bro, my father get laid off now, no up.
Yeah.
They done for turn a man from there, so now my life sweet like a donut. You know I wouldn't change a thing. No, choose you have to lose a couple times before you win. Oh, yeah.
See there? You have to lose a couple times well before you win, dog. I'm not like, in all my YouTube journey, you know how much time man just give up on this youth. You see me, I say until now, I find my people really like what me do right now and my reaction them, dog, and I stick to my thing, brother. You see me, and it work for me. You do me? But I'm showing why I go out with that. Yeah. I rate that song, I like that song. I like that song. I tell you, the comment them I say it, and I know the feedback from other people them I say it, the Gaza fans them I say it. You see me, I don't know what them I say it, but I know I like that song. But I know I go soon in the comment section and go on the antics, you know. But I rate that song so far. I want to think about the song, people. I like the flow, I know you got a few real people that are going to say, yo, I'm a Gaza supporter, but that song I touch differently. I saw people that are going to say that. But I rate that song so far. I want to think about it in the comment section. Got you.
I pop bottles, pop models. What my story about happy and like the novels. Yeah, in a castle I'm eating apples. I look out on the sea, I show me youth, them all what do we? Great waves like the ocean, yeah. When you're
in a castle of bottles, apples. Hold on.
Yeah, in a castle I'm eating apples. I look out on the sea.
Castle I'm eating apples. I look out on the sea. I show me youth them. Oh, youth. Yo, hold on, ready.
See, I show me youth, them how we do it. Great waves like the ocean, yeah. When you're there, better than your son, no.
Slow down, we baby, come ocean, yeah.
We do it first, cause them sound. Never see a phone sound strong.
Alright, one jump. Second verse, we go find a winner, people. Is it messing? Well, I could try some more of that. Did me? Yeah, man. Alright. So in the eye, anything tastes good in the eye in the dog. I'm not telling you, no youth. People, let's see if you still watch a video to that part, like, I'm going to see the month and start the video, people. Alright. If you still watch a video to that part, yeah, I want to comment 3 in the comment section. Number 3, 3, or 3. Jamaican saying, ready? Comment 3 in the comment section. Alright, forward.
Never see a phone song. All over the world, them a wave me banner. Fans a come out and a support me and bad mind I wonder what's so special with a man ya.
All over the world, them a wave. All over the world, them a wave my banner. Hold up. So I'm sure my support all over the world, man, have support. And I think basically I tell you now, no youth. You did me here, see, I put to the man lyrics them in that all over the world, you know. What am I saying about fans of what I go now? Come on, you're another. I mean, I miss nothing today, no.
And a support me and bad mind I wonder what's so special with a man ya. Tidal wave, you know, see up under the cabana. We a create league wave and a plug.
Youth. I want to taste like the weed around the road. I want the bad. Alright. Go on. How shall I reach now? You even know that dog? Yo, you know what? I was somewhere sang that.
Not the whole place. If me no make it out, show the kids my face.
Yeah.
Tell them how me stay and how me stuck in my ways.
Yeah.
One like say them no like about them rate way anyway. Cause we create.
That's what I like about the rate with any ways, man. I left on the right side of people. I'm going to listen to the rest of the song by Alkaline, Bevo. You did me and say, big up on yourself, you know. I feel like I need to do one more video though. We have Movado, what name? Song name, man. See the Movado Life. Think of on the same instrumental, you know, because see it thumbnails the same way, so that's what we're gonna do next. So do the right thing, like the video, comment your thoughts on Alkaline new song. I don't want to think about Ocean Wave. You see me I say? I want to think about my reaction. Did me? Big up on yourself.